Muravardhanake, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Vani Government First Year College. The topic is Principles of Sound Financial Planning. So let us now discussing about principles of sound financial planning. A sound financial plan helps the management to make efficient use of financial resources. Hence, financial planning creates an environment for the success of enterprise. So let us now discussing about various principles of sound financial planning one by one. Simplicity based on firm's objective. Third one, flexibility. Fourth one, solvency and liquidity. Fifth one, long-term view. Foresight, utility. Eighth one, cost. Ninth one, profitability. 10th one, complete. So let us now discuss the detail one by one. Simplicity. Simplicity is one of the important principles of sound financial planning. A financial plan should be simple and easy to understand. A simple financial plan should be easy to understand and it should be able to modify the plans if required in accordance with the changing economic conditions. Another important point is that quality of plan should not be compromised for the sake of the simplicity. Second one important principle will be based on firm's objective. A financial plan should be engraved according to the objective set forth by the organization. It will ensure profitability of the business if the plan fulfill the required objectives in business. Third one will be flexibility. A rigid financial plan or fixed financial plan will not let the business use new opportunities. Flexibility in financial plan will be helpful in coping coping up with expansion and modification. Flexible plan should always allow scope for adjustment. Inflexible or fixed plans not cope for adjustment. As and when new situation emerges, keeping in mind the demand in the future. So flexibility is the most important sound principles of financial plan. At any moment, you cannot make a rigid financial plan. You can make a flexible finance plan as and when new situation arises. Next, fourth important principle will be solvency and liquidity. So usually solvency and liquidity is basically depend upon when liquidity more, solvency more, solvency less, liquidity less. A financial plan should ensure proper liquidity in the business. Liquidity helps the management to make short term and long term payments in time. This will ensure the credit worthiness and create a goodwill for the business. By maintaining a liquidity of asset, sufficient funds are made available in time, which will strengthen the solvency of the business. Hence, financial needs and repayment schedule should be forecasted properly. So, when solvency more, liquidity will be more. So, when liquidity more, we can pay the expenses or payments in time. At that moment, the goodwill or status of the company can be improved. Next, fifth principle of sound financing plan will be long term view. At the time of making financial plan or financial planning, it kept mind long term view, not short term view. The financial plan should be formulated keeping in view in the long term needs of an organization. This is because the original financial plan would continue to operate for long period of time even after the formation of organization, whatever it may be. The sound financial planning must give much importance to long term view, not short term view. Next, sixth important principles of sound financial planning will be foresight. While drafting financial plan, the future requirement of funds in the business should be forecasted. Technological improvements, demand forecast, resources availability, etc., should be kept in mind while drafting the financial plan. A plan visualized without foresight may bring disaster to the company as it fails to meet the requirements. Next important principles of sound financing planning will be utility. It should be designed to utilize the available resources in an efficient manner. Both the long term and short term requirements of the funds, that is fixed capital and working capital, should be measured uniformity. A proper balance should be maintained utilizing internally generated funds and borrowed funds. Cost. It is the eight principles of sound financial planning. A financial plan should be made cost effective. That is, the cost of raising funds from various sources should be minimum. Interest bearing securities, namely debenture interest, interest on public deposit, interest on loans and advances from banks and financial institutions. These are called interest bearing security should be less cost, be called half and when possible, so that the burden is reduced. Next, important principles of sound financial planning will be profitability. The financial plan make the framework of financial plan should be done to improve the profitability of the organization. The liabilities of the firm should be disposed or paid in time so that is that it does not affect the profit. Sufficient funds should be made available to make proper payments. Last one, that is 10th principles of sound financing planning will be complete. Any financial plan to be successful, it should be fair and complete in all aspects and capable of facing future contingencies, adequate provision to overcome unforeseen events has to be maintained by the finance manager. Thus, a sound financial plan will ensure the successful running of the enterprise, successful expansion of the business, proper and effective control over cash and administration.
Ah, ಇನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಮ್
The next topic will be factors influencing a sound financial plan or planning. A business plan is a primarily a statement estimating the amount of capital and determining its composition. It has long term impact on the working of the enterprise, hence, it has to be framed carefully. Let us now discussing the factors influencing a sound financial planning. First one will be nature of industry. Second will be availability of resources. Third will be future plans. Fourth one will be status of organization. Fifth one will be economic condition. Sixth one will be government control. Let us now discussing about one by one in detail. The following variables should be kept in mind while selecting the financial plan. The first point is nature of industry. The requirement of funds may vary from industry to industry. For example, the volume of capital, asset structure, earning capacity, stability of business, etc., are not common to all industries. Thus, the financial requirement of the business should be determined by keeping these factors in consideration. Second will be availability of resources. It is the second factor influencing a sound financial planning. There are various sources by which an organization can raise funds. The pros and cons of all available resources should be properly analyzed for making a final decision on the sources. The selected sources should be able to provide and adequate and regular funds to meet the various needs of business. Third important point will be future plan. A financial plan should be designed keeping in view the future plans of the business. For example, on organization planning for expansion or diversification in the near future will require flexible financial plan. The sources of future, the sources of funds should facilitate required funds without any difficulty. Next, another important factor influencing a sound financial planning will be status of the organization. The financial plan can be influenced by the standing position of the concern, the credit worthiness, past performance, goodwill, reputation of the firm, attitude of the management, efficiency of the management are some of the factors to be considered while designing a financial plan. Next, fifth important factor influencing a sound financial planning will be economic conditions. Economic conditions prevailing in the national and international market to a greater extent will have an impact on the financial plan. Careful thought should be made while formulating a financial plan. Depending upon the conditions, selection of sources are to be made. If the conditions are favorable, raising funds would be simpler. On the other hand, unfavorable conditions make it difficult. You, for good organization raise fund, but weak or inefficient organization cannot raise maximum funds at minimum cost. The last one will be government control. Certain controls in the hands of the government. The government policies can also influence a decision about the financial plan. The legal restriction on using certain resources. Take for example, at the time of raising public deposits from the public must maintain a certain balance of amount kept in the RBI and also make certain rules and regulation at the time of raising of finance from the public deposit. The legal restriction on using certain sources, fixing the dividend and interest rates, tax rate, etc., will lead to difficulties for raising funds. Hence, these policies should be carefully considered while selecting a finance plan.